Well, students, in this session, gonna talk about that how to write research papers. Since it is a series, so let me start from the scratch, and we will discuss about first thing that the is abstract. What is the meaning of abstract, and what is the appropriate size of the abstract? Sometimes, the research scholars they start writing, and the length is too much high, and finally the paper is sent back for the serial corrections, or sometimes it is rejected without any information. So what will be the appropriate size of the abstract? Abstract is nothing but just a precise documentation about your research. What was your objective? What was your tool and techniques or research methodology you have used? And up to the part of the conclusion and interpretation. A small parts taken from the entire research paper is then built into the abstract. Sometimes research scholars or sometimes top academicians do not have enough time to go through the entire research paper, so they just go through the abstract and they finally get the sense of the research paper. So here we will measure the size of the research abstract. So we will just select this part of the abstract and we will see here this is showing the 350 of 4326 words. The entire length is more than 4000 words. No matter, maybe 4000, 5000, or less than 4000 or 3000, it doesn't make any difference. But the size of abstract matters. If it is beyond 400 or 450 words, then it is useless. It will be straight away rejected, or it will be sent back to the research scholar or researcher for further revision to make it concise. So here what I have seen, this my abstract covers the length of 350 words, which is appropriate. Why it is appropriate? Because it is less than 400 words. Whenever you are meant to write for any Scopus indexed journal or Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 scientific journals, so they usually ask you to be precise. They go through your abstract, and the abstract length should be more or less between the 300 or 400 word. That is, I think, appropriate. Don't go beyond of the 350 words or for maximum 400 words. So here we will see here that the appropriate size 350 words, and we have finished it. We have started about the research paper, that what is the FMCG market, and what is the trend of the fast moving consumer goods, and why, how does it affect the Sensex, and about the company also we have tried to discuss, and a little bit about the research methodology we have discussed. Later part we will see after that the abstract. Once you start writing abstract, you finish the abstract in 300 or 400 words, even though 250 words will be considered as an appropriate length of the abstract. Not less than 250, not more than 400 words at any cost. Take a look here, the keywords. The keywords again very very important. Sometimes I have gone through a lot of the researches in which they write a lot of keywords, seven keywords, eight keywords, 10 keywords. Useless, meaningless. All the quality research journals, they say not go beyond 5 keywords. What are the keywords? Basically, keywords revolves around your research papers. When you I have mentioned here for an example, dividend payout, earning per share, FMCG 3, market capitalization 4, and 5, PE ratio. So that is the appropriate keyword. I have done maximum 5 is allowed, because the objective was to write in one of the Scopus indexed journals. So I took the directions from the journal. They said, okay, the your abstract size should not be more than 400 words. So the I have done the size of the abstract 350 words. I did not let it go beyond of 400 words. And the keywords, selected keywords, because my research papers is revolving around this dividend payout, earning per share, FMCG, and the market capitalization and the price to earning ratios all through the research paper. So that is very important for researchers, for an academician to have a common understanding about the abstract, what is the appropriate length of the abstract, and what is the appropriate size of the keywords.